I was very resistant to this sort of thing in my youth. And I have found I don't know everything. And even though I might think I do, I might think I have all the answers, I find out I don't. And workshops, videos, you learn different things. You're like, well, I've been doing it the hard way. You have to be able to go in and say, you know what, my way maybe isn't the best. And this person has a good idea. Let's try that out. Over the years, I have definitely found don't be afraid to learn something.
When it comes to the actual workshop and everything, with the new information that y'all actually email us with SIGs and the ID and the actual conversations that we actually get to have with other managers, to let us know that we're not the only ones that are dealing with the same exact problems with different other stores. We actually get to troubleshoot, work out problems, give advice to each other, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And it's very nice and it's polite and it's open, because a lot of these managers nowadays have similar stories. And it's nice to know that, you're not the only one in the boat trying to rock it and keep it going.
I have gotten support and I have gotten a lot more understanding, especially as a leader in management, being able to talk to DMs and other managers and supervisors and get different perspectives on different parts of the job. And then I know it sounds crazy, but y'all are kind of like a support system. But sometimes as managers, we don't get to, talk about the stuff that we see going on in the stores or how we feel about situations. And a lot of times when we were all on the Zoom, we would sit up there and talk about issues and stuff that we had going on in the store, stuff that was bothering us, and getting different perspectives from other leaders on, how to deal with the issues.
Because I want to learn more. I get other managers' feedback. It gives me a chance to voice my concerns, and it's helping me to make my team stronger by going to them and getting their opinions, and they feel appreciated when they feel involved.